nigga run up on me. Oh wow, he's another. Another one. You can poke. When you run up on a motherfucker, you get in the inside, you can go for internal hits. Motherfucker, he come up on you. If he going this way, wherever he throws a blow, you'll cut his arm and you'll come in. You know what I'm saying? But that's how knife fighting is. A motherfucker come in, every move he makes, he leaves himself vulnerable. If he throws a hit, you cut. You know what I'm saying? Come back with a counter. You know what I'm saying? And me, I'm the type of nigga, if I'm gonna be fighting with a nigga, you know, say with a knife, okay, he cuts, boom, pop, eat a motherfucker food, you know what I'm saying? Dance with a motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 poke a motherfucker.